So in this video I want to talk about deadlifting. It's not bad for your back. Hey there everyone, Jason DePaula here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and welcome back to one of my videos. Now I just want to talk about deadlifting and how deadlifting is not bad for your back. Movements are not inherently bad for you. It's just the way you set up, and maybe if you've not been taught proper technique. You could say deadlifts, I've heard people say deadlifts are bad for your back, but it's not. Deadlifting from the wrong height, with the wrong loading scheme and with the wrong intensity probably is bad for your back. Now, like I say, when I say the wrong height, maybe conventional deadlifts when you go down, maybe you haven't got the mobility or the strength to do a proper conventional deadlift. I normally first of all do hinge pattern work and then work up to an RDL, maybe go into a conventional deadlift after that if they're into it, or sumo deadlift, but then I work up to it. So you've got to find the right height for you to start off with. So also is the wrong loading scheme. You know, people, and I have seen this many times, personal trainers and coaches just put too much weight on a client's deadlift and their form is absolutely shockingly bad, just so they can say they've just done the 1 rep max or 1 or 2 reps for like 200 kilograms. And you can see when they do the videos why they do the videos, because their form is absolutely crap. They lifted the weight, but it was absolutely not the right way to do it. You've got to build up slowly. You know, some people have these micro weights, so when you get to a certain weight that you can't lift or it gets heavy, you get like small little micro weights of like 0.5 of a kilogram you put on one. So you've got 1 kilogram instead of putting 5 or 10. Then you can progress. It takes longer, you'll have consistency and patience, but you will get there if you do it more slowly. And probably the next one is the wrong intensity. I see this quite a lot. You do deadlifts for reps, as many deadlifts as you can, and then you go straight onto the rower, or you do burpees. Why do burpees over a deadlift, over a bar, and go straight into deadlifts? It's one of the worst things I can think of. But the wrong intensity deadlifts, you know, no more than 5 to 6 reps if you're going heavy, and if you're going super heavy, 1 or 2. I don't like doing super high reps of deadlifts of 20 or 30. I just don't understand why people do this. But like I say, I don't want to blanket label that it's always all exercises are bad for you. You know, I'm just picking out deadlifts here. You know, some movements might be dangerous for one person, or maybe completely okay for another. It might be dangerous for one person because they don't know the form. They might be weak. They might not have the core strength or the mobility or the flexibility to do that kind of exercise. You know, sometimes, you know, it might scare people away because they can't do it, but then that's why you should come to me, a coach, that I can progress you in a safe and healthy and good manner. So yeah, I'm just to do a quick one here. I've just picked on deadlifts. I don't know why. It could easily be squats or bench presses or anything, but you know, not all, you know, exercises are going to be inherently bad. It's just you've got to learn proper form and technique and the right intensity, the right rep schemes, and also, like for deadlifts, getting it from the right height to start off with. So there we go. I just did this quick little video. Hope you like this. Please like and share, it'd be most appreciated. I'll put some of my info for Instagram here. Please like and share me on Instagram. Follow me on that, because I put a lot more information on Instagram that I don't put on any of the social media. If you like the style of my training and you like the way I talked and talking to the camera now, please do not hesitate to get in touch if you want some help with your strength training or your general fitness. I'll be more than happy to help if you shoot me a message. So there you go. I'm Jason DePaula here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. I hope you like this video, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon. Cheers.